Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, US dollar currency index, and yesterday we discussed about the critical level here 112, and as per our expectation this level is still trying to provide support to the market. Okay, so the level of 112 has become very important for DXY, so it is still trying to provide support to the market. And if you look at the overall trend of DXY, then yes, undoubtedly DXY is bullish. We all know it very well that for the last couple of months DXY is extremely bullish. DXY is unstoppable. So if we draw a trend line here, then also we get the same picture. So my dear friends, one thing you should know, that as long as DXY is trading above this trend line, DXY is respecting this trend line, the market will remain bullish. But one thing you need to focus here is that whenever DXY is trying to go up, whenever DXY is trying to regain its bullishness, okay, it is unable to do so. DXY is unable to cross the previous highs, which signifies the bullishness is decreasing, the buying power is decreasing in the market. So as a result, there may be some correction. There may be some correction on the cards very soon. Okay, we may see some correction on the chart of DXY. I don't know whether it will come or not, but the chart is telling that there may be some correction, or not a small correction like this, but there may be some big correction. Okay, once DXY breaks this trend line, okay, there may be a big correction on the market very soon. So let's wait and watch. Especially day traders, you don't need to worry. You just need to stick to your strategy because right now DXY is still very bullish. But in case by next week, if market reverses again, okay, without breaking the previous high, then we will get the confirmation that yes, we may see some correction very soon. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. So this is a chart of euro USD, and sadly we are still standing at the same point we were standing yesterday. We can see that right now we do not have any proper direction. DXY is just lying flat at the support, okay, and euro USD is just lying flat at the resistance. Okay, you can see that the red line is the 200 moving average. Okay, the market is just standing at 200 moving average, and we do not see any proper move. Okay, if you are holding any position right now, whether it is buy position, sell position, doesn't matter, stick to your position, no need to do anything. And if you're looking for fresh entry, fresh position, then my dear friends, you can clearly see on the chart that you have got no position, no opportunity right now, because market is flat. Okay, market is not giving us any clear sign. So by the European session or US session, if we see market going up from here, okay, listen to me carefully. If you see market going up, it means if you see market breaking the level of 0.9870, then also do not take any buy position immediately. If you have the experience, if you're a scalper, then that's a different chapter. But if you're a new trader, beginner, okay, you should avoid taking a buy position immediately, because see, you must also understand that there's a concept in the market called as smart money concept. Okay, and so if you take a buy position immediately, there may be a false breakout. Okay, there may be a false breakout. Okay, and as a result you may be trapped. Okay, you may be trapped, and later on your stop loss will hit, you'll end up in loss. So no need to take a buy position immediately. Wait for some time, wait for 3 to 4 hours, and just observe the market. If you see that after 4 hours, 5 hours, market is trading comfortably, then you can consider taking a buy position above this level. And for additional confirmation, look at the chart of DXY. If you see that DXY is going down, DXY is falling, then only take a buy position. In case you see that euro USD is going down but DXY is standing at support, then please avoid any such position, because as I just said, you need to save yourself from false breakout. After all, we are retail traders. We do not have the power to drive the market. So as a result, it's our duty to save our capital and respect our capital. Okay, and we can only do that, okay, if we trade carefully. So stop gambling. And in case market breaks 0.9815 level, if you see market breaking this level and going down, and at the same time if you see DXY is also going up, then you can also consider taking a sell position, because DXY is going up, taking support at 112 level, Euro USD is falling. Okay, then you can go for a position, fresh sell position below this level. But keep in mind, as we do not have any clear signal right now, you need to follow proper risk management. Do not take any heavy position, because as I just said, we do not have any clear picture of Euro USD right now. Okay, in case, okay, as I talked at the beginning of the video, that in case a big correction comes on the chart of DXY, then there will be a huge recovery on the chart of Euro USD. But right now we don't have that. Okay, so so do not imagine things. Okay, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate after all. And we have a good support around 0.9640 to 0.9630. we have a good support around this level. In case market witnesses heavy fall, I think that this level will be able to provide support to the market. And if market bounces from here or reverses, you can definitely go for a buy position. But this level is quite far away from the market right now. So as a result, we simply need to focus on this particular portion of the market. Again, I'll repeat, if you see market showing a breakout, okay, do not take any immediate buy position. Okay, you need to observe the market first, because you need to save yourself from false breakouts as well. And for additional confirmation, take help of DXY. And in case market breaks it, the present range here, if you see market breaking this level and going down, you can go for a sell. Okay, but again, for additional confirmation, consult DXY. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow. Did you